in some of my previous videos, I mentioned in passing the summer yard sale is coming back, and here we have well, most of what I'm gonna put on sale. It's not everything, mind you, but I think there's like 35 or 40 items, at least 50% off right off the bat. And there's no like membership to, you know, nothing to you need to do except maybe, you know, just head to the link and sign up for an account on Galabit, and that's where I've had my previous auctions, and you know, it's been really great for us. So anyways, let's try to look at some of the stuff that I'll be putting up for sale. There's the One More Sonoflow, the first gen. It's a pretty nice headphone, and I'm offloading the Focus Amadeus. Oh yes, baby. And we have the Shocks Open Run, not the Pro version. And this is not bad. The final UX3000 SV is new from Japan. I'm gonna do that as well. It's gonna be on sale. And I have a fresh unopened box of these Method 360 ANC from Skullcandy. These were pretty darn good if you watched the video too. I'm also offloading the ASUS ROG Pelta gaming headphone, and its higher end ASUS ROG Delta 2. Oh, check out that wind, man. It just rained and the air is fantastic. I have also the V-Motor Cross Fade 3 wireless. This thing is really nice too. I'll link all the videos or whatever, you know, reviews that are applicable to these products. I'm just gonna link them in the auction listing, and you can just check them out there. Soundcore Motion 300. This thing is really nice sounding as well. I'm getting rid of the status between 3A and C, my own copy, because they just came out with a new one, the Pro X, and we'll be looking at that video soon. I'm still on the fence. I'm getting rid of this one, the Ultra Human Air. The Ring Air is a size, what is this one? Size 11, I think. Yeah, so if you're that size, this is for you. Getting rid of the Soundcore Aero Clip. One more Color Buds 2. And I have a couple of Aerofit 2s that I'm offloading as well, so it's gonna be fun. This one is the Barracuda, the Razer Barracuda X Chroma, another gaming headphone. And we have a whole bunch of stuff. I have a couple of GoLink. I have the GoLink and from iFi and the GoLink Max as well. This would be, I think it will fly pretty fast. The KZ Zex and the CCA, I forgot what this is called. The CCA CA16 Pro IEMs. And this is also going up for sale. The Helio Ring, I think it's a size 10 or 11. Check out the links. I will give you proper measurements. The Questal M15C. And some of the things are carried over either from the previous auction, some because, you know, the sale didn't go through or they just didn't sell. I'm just gonna carry some of those over. Skullcandy Crusher Evo and the Koiloa. What is this one? Oh yeah, the Triple Win HBB. Yes, this one is nice. And then we got the Blondes with Z Jojo collaboration. And what else? Oh, the Sexify Air Gamer. This one is nice. And we have the WA20MB Plus. We have the Oladance OWS Sport headphone over the neck, and then one more Fit S50. Ooh, this one is nice. The Alienware Pro. Oh yeah, I'm selling this one. I have too many headphones. If you're wondering why I'm getting rid of these stuff, so I'm also on the fence on this one, the HD 505. I'm probably gonna get rid of this. That is the packaging. They're very simple, saving the world and all that. No ink, no nothing. This is the wired version of the Eufy dual camera. There's also the battery version, which I have, very rechargeable. This is the wired version, so if you have your doorbell pre-wired already, this would be ideal for you. So there's the other one, the GoLink Max from iFi, and the Creative Outlier Free Pro Plus, another around the neck workout headphone. And this is the over-the-ear Oladance OWS2. And there's the other Aerofit 2. And I may offload this one, the Focus Apollo. So a couple of Noble products in this one. Yeah, I think I might get rid of this one. Yeah, so if you see it, it's there. If it's not, I did change my mind. This will go with the Aerofit. I'll throw in as a package, as like a carry pouch with a carabiner and all that. I think there's more stuff coming, and this is all that I have in the box, but there's more. So thank you again for watching, guys. I hope, you know, this goes really well, and thank you again in advance for your support. All these things help, you know, whatever sales, they go back to feeding the channel and just upgrading things and just helping me put food on the table. Right. But anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you support this, And if you're not planning on buying anything, just reshare this with your friends who may be interested, because yeah, it's a good deal. At least 50%. Some of them will go for 60 or 70% off. So yeah, anyways, and I might throw in something for free. Some of you guys have gotten extra stuff, you know, from your purchases in the past. So again, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.